Struggling with weak hand strength? In this video, I'll show you how to strengthen your hand support and protect your wrists. Our hands play an irreplaceable role in daily life, from supporting and gripping to performing various fine motor skills. Hand functions are essential for independent living, social interactions, and academic tasks. Supporting the body is a basic hand function. If you can't naturally support your weight with your palms or experience wrist pain, it suggests structural and functional issues in your hands, which can lead to injuries in your wrist, elbow, and shoulder. This problem is related to the palmaris longus, palmaris brevis, abductor digiti minimi, and abductor pollicis brevis muscles. The exercises in this video target these muscles to alleviate wrist pain and stiffness, restore hand flexibility, and enhance muscle strength. The first exercise is the finger lock stretch. This move stretches the target muscles, enhances the thenar eminence, increases palm extension, and improves wrist mobility. It's great for long-term keyboard and mouse users. To begin, kneel on the floor and interlock your fingers. Then turn your palms outward and place your thumbs near the knees. Press down your index, middle, pinky, and ring fingers in sequence, spreading your palms. As you exhale, slowly shift your weight forward until the base of your palms is fully pressed to the floor. Keep your elbows straight and close together, and your chest lifted. You can either hold this position or repeat this process for 3 to 5 minutes. If you can, slowly shift your weight back to increase the stretch on your wrists. A common mistake is bending your elbows instead of keeping them straight. This keeps your palms from fully spreading and stops the weight from being placed on the target muscles. However, if your hand structure restricts your ability to fully spread your palms, that's okay. You just need some time. Practice this exercise twice a week. Stop if you have finger sprains or wrist inflammation. Take your time and avoid overtraining. The second exercise is called stationary dribbling. This exercise helps connect your hand to your torso and activates palm elasticity, making it great for improving a shriveled hand. To start, find an open area, stand with your legs apart, and hold a large ball at one side of your body. This is your starting position. Spread your fingers with some space in the center of your palm, then dribble the ball. Generate force from your chest and push it outward to hit the ball. Feel the ball rebound into your palm up to chest level. Dribble 20 to 50 times on one side, then switch sides. Avoid slapping the ball like this. Instead, keep some space in your palms, as if you're holding an egg. And don't let your wrists become too loose or too stiff. Dribble naturally, as you would with a basketball. Practice this exercise twice a week. The third exercise is the medicine ball palm press. This exercise expands the space in the center of your palms, effectively connects the base of your palms with your torso, and increases hand support strength. It is especially beneficial for sports enthusiasts. Start by kneeling and pressing the bases of your palms together on a firm ball, like a medicine ball. Lean your body forward and tuck your toes, hands beside your chest. Slightly externally rotate the tips of your middle fingers. Keep your elbows close and your chin lifted. This is the starting position. Next, spread your fingers. Straighten your elbows, relax your shoulders, and shift your weight toward the bases of your palms. Keep your weight centered on the palms of your hands. Now breathe normally, and if you can, lift your knees slightly off the ground. Let's take a closer look. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute and repeat for 3 to 5 sets. A common mistake is bending your elbows and not positioning your hands at the center of the ball, which prevents your weight from being evenly applied to the base of your palms. Practice this exercise twice a week. Stop if you have wrist inflammation. Before you start hand training, here are a few reminders. First, warm up thoroughly with moves such as wrist rotations and stretches to reduce the risk of injury. Second, make sure to maintain correct forms during training to prevent injuries. Third, manage the intensity and avoid overtraining. Lastly, get enough rest so your muscles can recover and grow. That wraps up our training methods. If you want to learn more about these hand muscles, check out the second part of this video here. If you found our video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. The health of our hands impacts us in many ways, and in the next episode, we'll dive deeper into hand functions and training. See you next time.